Good evening to everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Please watch my video up to end. Please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Already Wipro NLTH 2021 exams are postponed. These exams that Wipro will conduct on 29th and 30th of this month. Today we are going to discuss about the important coding questions for Wipro NLTH 2021. I will discuss these questions in two languages. One is C language, another one is Python. So which one is easy? You can follow that language. Here the first question is, find the distinct elements in a given array. So for example, here we see that suppose that array size is given as 9. Suppose we give array size as 9 means we enter 9 elements. We enter that 9 elements like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here some of the elements that are repeated: 2 is repeated, 3 repeated, 4 repeated. So the remaining elements, here repeating elements we eliminate that one, only unique elements we print. Here unique elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, we print that one. So for this one we write the program. Now here we see how to write the program for this problem in C language. Here we see first. Here we see. Let's include stdio.h. So stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. Now here first I define one subprogram or subfunction void distinct elements. So distinct elements of. So now define array A. Here we define the number of elements in that array, that is n. Here each and every C program starts from main. We write int main. Next. So now here we define the size of array int size array I array of you mention that size some 20. That means maximum we enter 20 elements. Scanner. So we enter the size of array. So here the size of array declared as integer %d. Integer conversion code is %d. Ampersand size array. So we store that array size under this variable size array. Now we read all the elements into array. So we take that for loop for I equal to 0 I less than array size array I plus plus. Now read that one. Scanf percentage d. Read all these values into array. So array of I ampersand array of I. Now we call that subfunction. That subfunction is a distinct element. Distinct element of one element is array. Here array is defined as AR array Y. Array. Another one is size array. So return 0. Already main program completed. Now write some program. Void distinct elements of int A array comma int n. N represents number of elements in the array. Int I comma j. These two are used for repeating the element in for loops. Now take all the elements one by one by using for loop. First for loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus. So this here, the second for loop, it checks any element is repeated or not. So now here, if a of I equal to a of j, that means both elements are equal. Both elements are equal means that element is repeated. If the element is repeated, remove that element from the array. So break. Break means we remove that element. That means we escape that element from that array list. Next, print all the elements. Printf. before printing we check these elements. If I is equal to j, printf %d, all the elements stored in array of I. So write a of I. Run the program. Now here we enter. So enter an array of size, some 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here requirements that are printed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So how to write the same program in Python language? Now see that one. So in Python language, first to define function, define distinct element, distinct of array with size n. Next here, directly we use the array sort method. So array dot sort now first here we take elements from the array. So for I in range of n, if I less than n minus 1 and array of I equal to array of I plus 1, equal to array of I plus 1. Next, while, check the while condition, while I less than n minus 1, and array of I equal to array of I plus 1 I plus 1 equal I plus equal to 1 means I equal to I plus 1. Else print array of I and equal to empty means here repeated, that elements are repeated, write that one. Next here, this is the function code. Next to write original code, that means main function code means driver code. So take array values here directly. Array equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here equal to length of array. Print distinct. So print the distinct elements. Distinct. Print distinct of. So already this one is stored in the program. So distinct array comma n. Now run this program. Find the distinct elements. Distinct. Error source here in this program. So all these are in C language. So that's one. Now let's do this one. Line 2. Now rectify the errors. Array comma n. Invalid syntax error. So this is a function. So write columns Here also this is a function. So right column. Otherwise, this is a function. So right semicolon. So now line 3 will get error. So here define distinct array of n. So first to sort the elements, for that one we take array dot sort. So sort the elements here. So here these two are not indent. So now tell this indent. Line 7. These two are also not indent. So change the indent. This one also. So find the indent here. This one. It's also function here. Mention that one. So now run this one. Line 11. Print array of I, n. There is syntax print intent. The name n is not defined. In range of n. Else, then also this side, this side. Okay. So now get that one. Distinct R. Directly use distinct dynamic distinct. So use that one. So now here we see that we rectifying all the errors. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get all in sorting order and also get that distinct elements in the given numbers. We get that one. So this is the code in. Its second program is program to sort array in ascending and descending order. Suppose we give that input size is 5 and we enter the elements as 8, 6, 9, 2, 7. So we print this one in first ascending order 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 and descending order 9, 8, 7, 6, 2. So for this one, first we write the program in C language. First here, every C program start with has include stdio.h. Next, and also every C program start with main, so write int main. Here we define array of size 10. This I equal to 0, j equal to 0, these two are used to repeating the elements in for loop. Size represents size of the array. Temporary variable is used to exchange the values. So scanner percentage d size means we enter the size of the array. So for I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus, we enter all the elements into array. Scanner percentage d ms and array of I. Next for j equal to 0, j less than size j plus plus. So this j loop is used for us used to sort the elements in ascending order. For I equal to 0, I less than size minus 1. Jth loop also size minus 1. I plus plus. If array of I plus 1 less than array of I, if this condition is satisfied, then we exchange the two values. Temp equal to array of I array of I equal to array of I plus 1. Array of I plus 1 equal to temp. Next, we arrange the elements in descending order. So for that one, we write the code. So before arranging the elements in ascending or descending order, first we print these elements. For I equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus, printf percentage d array of I. Printf new line character /n. For I equal to size minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. This for loop is used to print the elements in descending order. Printf percentage d array of I return 0. Now we run this program. Suppose you take array size is 5, we enter the elements in that array. Now here first we get the elements in ascending order 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next we get the elements in descending order 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. We write the same program in Python. So now here we see how to write the same program in Python. In Python, first initialize array equal to, we take some elements, 5 elements, 5, 1, 3, 8, 6. After initializing the array, we take temporary variable temp equal to 0. First we print these elements. Print original elements. Let's sort these elements. For I in range 0, comma, length of array just here to print that elements, print array of I and now here we print all that elements and original elements by using this for loop. Next, we are arranging the elements in ascending order. For I in range 0, comma, length of 0, comma, length of array for j in range of I plus 1, comma, length of array if array of I greater than array of j, temp equal to array of I equal to array of j, array of j equal to temp, print this element in ascending order. Print the same elements in descending order. So now for I in range of 0, comma, length of array print array of I and It shows error, so remove this one. Now run this program. Data definition has no type or storage class. Okay, this is language, so change it. Python. Run. So now here you see. So we get that elements in ascending order 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. Suppose we need to print this one in descending order, simply print here. For I in range of length of array to 0. Take the same thing here. Run this. So now here you get the elements in ascending order and descending order. Next, another program, third one. So second one also completed. Now third program is, so sort the elements first of, sort the elements sort first of elements in array in ascending order and second of in descending order and second of in descending order. So first to write the program, this program in C language. See that program. as include stdio.h void sorting of int array int n. This is one subfunction. Define another subfunction for displaying the elements. Void display of int array int n. So any C program starts with main. So write int main initialize the variables int size array of 20. So first enter the size of the element size of that array scanner percentage d percent size for. So we enter all this number of elements in array I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus scanner percentage d an array of I. Now we call display function to display these values which we enter. Display array comma size return 0. Now next to write the subfunction void sorting of int array int n. Now define the variables I comma j comma m for j equal to 0, j less than n minus 1, j plus plus for I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus if array of I plus 1 less than array of I m equal to array of I array of I equal to array of I plus 1 array of I plus 1 equal to temp. Let's to write display function void display of int array int n to display the elements which is sorting. Now here we call the sorting function sorting of array comma n int I comma j for I equal to 0 I less than n by 2 I plus plus printf printf percentage d array of I of j equal to for j equal to 0 j equal to n minus 1 we j greater than n by 2 j minus minus printf percentage d array of j. So we run this program. So 9 error I undeclared. Here I so first to enter array size some 8 Enter the elements 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 3, 8, 0. Now here you see first half increment, next half decrement. 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 6. So first half decremented, next half is incremented. So in this way, to write the program. But here one element 4 is missing. So here j greater than equal to n by 2. Now get that one. Now here you see. Here suppose 8 elements. 1, 5, 3, 9, 2, 8, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8, 7, 6. These are in increasing order, these are in decreasing order. So now how to write the same program in Python? Now we see, now I write this program in Python. Define the function, define order of array n, array with size n, array dot sort I equal to 0, while I less than n by 2 is also a function. Print array of I equal to I plus 1, I plus 1. Next j equal to n minus 1. So this is for decreasing order, first subarray. This is increasing order, while j greater than equal to n by 2 will also use the same logic. It's already used in C language. Print array of j equal to j minus 1 Now write driver code. Array equal to write that elements here 5, 4, 6, 2, 2, 1, 3, 8, 9, 7. Zero. N equal to length of array or the use that function order of array comma n. So run this program. Define not def. In Python not define def. While brackets, okay. That's one is missing here. So put that. Now here you see output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First half is printed in this ascending order. Next order is printed in. Now here you see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This is printed in descending order. So in this way, we write the code in Python programming. So which is easy, you can follow. So today we discussed 3 different programs in C language and also in Python programming. In Python programming, we get very less code. So which is very easy to you follow that one. Please watch my video up to the end. Please share my videos. Please subscribe my channel. All the best for your coming Wipro NLTH 2021. Thanks to one and all.